Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 10 best MIG welders on the market today. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned welder, finding the right MIG welder can make all the difference in your projects. We've rigorously tested and evaluated each model to bring you the most detailed insights. Let's dive into our in-depth analysis of these top-notch MIG welders to help you make an informed decision for your welding needs. Eastwood 180 MIG. The Eastwood 180 MIG welder is a versatile machine suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. With a robust output and user-friendly interface, it offers precise control over welding settings. Its portability makes it convenient for various work environments. Pros: user-friendly interface, portable design, versatile for different skill levels. Cons: limited to certain materials, some reported issues with wire feeding consistency. Yes Welder YWM211P. The Yes Welder YWM211P boasts impressive power and spool gun compatibility, making it ideal for welding aluminum. Its synergic control and stable arc performance enhance welding precision. Pros: good for aluminum welding, synergic control for precise welding, stable arc performance. Cons: limited accessories included, quality control concerns reported. Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI. The Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI is a beginner-friendly welder known for its simplicity and durability. Its plug-and-play design makes it easy to set up, while its rugged build ensures long-lasting performance. Pros: beginner-friendly setup, durable construction, portable and compact. Cons: limited welding thickness capacity, not suitable for aluminum welding. Firepower FP200. The Firepower FP200 offers a high-duty cycle and robust performance, making it suitable for heavy-duty welding tasks. Its versatility allows for welding various materials with consistent results. Pros: high-duty cycle, versatile for different materials, robust performance. Cons: relatively heavy and less portable, complex controls for beginners. Hobart Handler 210 MVP. The Hobart Handler 210 MVP is renowned for its versatility and ease of use. With its multi-voltage plug feature and smooth arc performance, it accommodates various welding needs effortlessly. Pros: multi-voltage plug for flexibility, smooth arc performance, suitable for different skill levels. Cons: relatively higher price point, consumables might add to operational costs. Clutch MP230 SIDV. The Clutch MP230 SIDV impresses with its dual voltage capability and synergic control, ensuring precise and efficient welding. Its digital interface simplifies parameter adjustments. Pros: dual voltage capability, synergic control for precise welding, digital interface for easy adjustments. Cons: slightly bulky design, learning curve for beginners. Hobart Ironman 240. The Hobart Ironman 240 stands out for its high welding output and industrial-grade performance. Its heavy-duty construction and excellent wire feeding make it suitable for demanding welding tasks. Pros: high welding output, industrial-grade performance, excellent wire feeding. Cons: large and heavy, less portable, higher initial investment. Everlast Cyclone 212. The Everlast Cyclone 212 offers robust power and a variety of features for precise welding. Its dual-driven wire feed ensures consistent and smooth wire delivery. Pros: robust power output, features for precise welding, consistent wire delivery. Cons: the learning curve for operation. Some reported durability issues. Miller-Millmatic 211. The Miller-Millmatic 211 is renowned for its auto-set feature, making it exceptionally user-friendly. Its smooth arc performance and versatility cater to various welding tasks. Pros: user-friendly auto-set feature, smooth arc performance, versatile for different materials. Cons: higher price point, additional accessories might be needed. Lincoln Electric Easy Mig 180. The Lincoln Electric Easy Mig 180 is praised for its robust construction and ease of use. Its simple setup and consistent arc performance make it suitable for various projects. Pros: robust construction, easy setup, consistent arc performance. Cons: limited accessories included, relatively higher price point. Remember, the right MIG welder depends on your specific welding needs, skill level, and budget. Consider these reviews as a guide to finding the perfect match for your projects.